Hi there, my name is Daryl. I am a tutor here on Cambly. Today, we will go through the difference between lose and loose. They are very similar sounding words, and they can cause a lot of confusion for non-natives. The first thing we need to talk about is the different pronunciations. Lose has a Z or Z sound at the end. Lose. You can even say it with me out loud. Lose. On the other hand, loose has an S sound at the end. Loose. Again, say it with me. Loose. Now, let's talk about their meanings. Lose, the one with the Z sound. Lose is a verb, so it's something we do. We lose something. It means that we are not able to find something, or it can mean that you are not able to keep something that you had. And again, you don't know where it is. So we cannot find it. Now, the thing could be something I had or something I wanted. I can say it for either. And the thing that you cannot find can be anything. It could be physical. Like I could say, I always lose my keys. In other words, I often do not know where my keys are. But I can also say, did you lose your inspiration? So here, the thing that we are talking about is not physical. It's something non-physical. And I can again use lose for that. Lose can also mean you did not win. For example, did you lose the game? In other words, did you not win the game? So there are three meanings of lose. Number one, you no longer have something. Number two, you cannot find something. Number three, you did not win. We can also see that lose is related to lost. And this could be a way for you to remember it. For example, she lost her homework. And then I could ask, did you lose your homework? So lost and lose are related to each other. Let's go on to loose, the one with the S at the end. Loose is an adjective that describes something that doesn't fit tightly. So, for example, I could say these pants are too loose. So the pants don't fit well. I could also say that I tightened the loose screw with a screwdriver. So the screw was not in tight, and I made it tight. Loose can also mean to let go. So, for example, I could say, who let the dogs loose? So loose can have basically two meanings. Something doesn't fit well, it's loose, or to let something go. Now, to make sure you understand lose and loose, let's do a quiz to see if you can figure out which word to use. So, what I suggest is when I say the question, you pause the video, think about it, which is the answer, and then press play and see if you are right. Number one, did you lose or loose your phone? The answer is lose. Did you lose your phone? Number two, did you return the shirt because it was too loose or too loose? The answer is loose. So did you return the shirt because it was too loose? Number three, I always lose or loose my homework. The answer is lose. I always lose my homework. Number four, did they lose or loose the tennis match? The answer is lose. Did they lose the tennis match? Number five, I prefer to wear loose or loose jeans. The answer is loose. I prefer to wear loose jeans. Number 6. The police let the killer go loose or lose? The answer is loose. The police let the killer go loose. They let him go. Number 7. The handle of the door is loose or loose? The answer is loose. The handle of the door is loose. So there you go, the difference between lose and loose. And I hope now that you won't lose your way when you have to think about it. So, if you want to learn more on Cambly, it's a great web-based and app-based platform where you can learn English with tutors just like me. And if you want to have a lesson with me, I think there's a link in the description below. So join us again for another lesson here, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.